students. Today we are going to discuss about problems on initial conditions. Here again the given circuit is RLC. The component consists of R and C components connected in series. Here the switch S is closed at T is equal to 0, and assume that initial conditions I of 0 is equal to 0 and V of 0 minus is equal to 0. The problem is find current di by dt and di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. That is the problem. And coming to the solution here, S is closed at t is equal to 0. S is closed at t is equal to 0. And coming to the initial conditions, I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Okay, this is for inductor. I of 0 minus is equal to 0. That is equal to current is equal to 0. Current is equal to 0. That means inductor behaves like a open circuit. Inductor L behaves like a open circuit. Similarly, V of 0 minus is equal to 0. This is voltage is equal to 0. This is related to the capacitor. This is related to the capacitor. Voltage across capacitor is equal to 0. Now this component behaves like a short circuit. And coming to the solution is again three cases. First one is t is equal to 0 minus, and second one t is equal to 0 plus, and third one t greater than 0. And coming to the first one, t is equal to 0 minus. Okay, before 0, what is the condition? I'll draw the figure, and switch S is open, and inductor behaves like a open circuit, and capacitor behaves like a short circuit. This is short circuit, this is open circuit, and this is voltage source, and the value is 10 ohms. Now S is equal to open. The circuit is open and current flowing through the circuit I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Directly I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Okay, that is the first case. That is t is equal to 0 minus I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Coming to the second case, t is equal to 0 plus, and before that S is closed at t is equal to 0. S is closed at t is equal to 0. And initial condition is already know in inductor I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus. Similarly, V of 0 plus is equal to V of 0 minus. That means the behavior of capacitor and inductor the same as first case. Now the circuit is 10 volt source, S is closed, and resistor, and again inductor act as a open circuit, capacitor act as a short circuit. Here this is the resistor 10 ohm. Now current is I of 0 plus. Here this is the open circuit, again I of 0 plus also 0. So I of 0 plus is equal to 0. So in second case also the current I of 0 plus is equal to 0. And coming to the third, t greater than 0. Draw the circuit, and again here also S is closed, switch is closed, Now the resistor, inductor and capacitor. This is 10 volts, 10 ohm, 1H and 10 microfarad RLC, and the current is I of t. Now apply KVL to this loop. Apply KVL. So V is equal to I into R. Voltage across inductor, V is equal to L di by dt plus voltage across capacitor 1 by C integral I. Okay, this is the KVL equation. This is equation 1. Then substitute values here, and here the values are 10 is equal to I into R value is equal to 10 plus L value is equal to 1 into di by dt plus 1 by C into, here C value is equal to 10 micro into I. Okay, now find, if the problem is find di 0 plus di by dt at t is equal to 0 plus. Okay. Now your condition, substitute the condition in equation 1, that is equal to 10 is equal to here 10 into I0 plus di 0 plus by dt plus 1 by 10 micro I0 plus into dt. Okay, I of 0 plus is equal to 0, and that is equal to 10 is equal to, this becomes 0, 10 into 0 plus di 0 plus by dt plus 0, that is equal to di 0 plus by dt is equal to 10 ampere per second. Now again second one is and di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Now here this is the equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to time. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to time. Now here is dv by dt, that is equal to r into di by dt plus L into di square by dt square plus 1 by C into I. Now here the condition is find di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Now V is constant, V is equal to 10 volts, that is constant. Then 0 is equal to R into di by dt plus L into di square by dt square plus 1 by C into I. T is equal to 0 plus. Now 0 is equal to R is equal to 10 into di 0 plus by dt plus L value is equal to 1 di square 0 plus by dt plus 1 by C I of 0 plus. So 0 is equal to 10 into, already you know di 0 plus by dt is equal to 10. 10 into 10 plus di square 0 plus by dt square plus 1 by c. I0 plus is equal to 0. 1 by c into 0. So finally di square 0 plus by dt square is equal to minus 100 ampere per second square. So on the t greater than 0, two cases. One is di 0 plus by dt is equal to 10 ampere per second, and second one is di square 0 plus by dt square is equal to minus 100 ampere per second square. Like that we can solve the problem using initial condition. This is the series RLC network. The once again is observe the initial condition. Given initial condition I of 0 minus is equal to 0, V of 0 minus is equal to 0. Inductor behaves like a open circuit, capacitor behaves like a short circuit. And initial condition is I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus, V of 0 plus is equal to V of 0 minus. So that these two cases the current is equal to 0. And coming to the last one, t greater than 0, write down the KVL equation. Then again substitute the t is equal to 0 plus condition. We find di 0 plus and di square 0 plus by dt square. Now we go to second problem. Second problem. Here in second problem, I given a current source. These three components are parallel combination. Current source, resistor and capacitor also, these two are in parallel. Now the problem is, given initial condition is, switch S is open at t is equal to 0. Why? Because it is a parallel connection. S is open at t is equal to 0. That means indirectly S is closed at t is equal to 0 minus. The problem is find voltage dV by dt, V of t, dV by dt and dV square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Now coming to the solution, S is closed. S is closed at t is equal to 0 minus. Now the circuit becomes, here it is, this is the resistor and this is the capacitor. This is V of t, this is R, this is the capacitor. Okay. This is coming to the case 1, t is equal to 0 minus. T is equal to 0 minus, S is closed. Now when S is closed, this is the short circuit. The voltage across short circuit is 0. In this case, capacitor acts as a short circuit. Capacitor voltage, across capacitor voltage, V of 0 minus is equal to 0. If the condition is, this is the switch, S is closed. When S is closed, it is a short circuit, then voltage across capacitor VC, and that is also equivalent to output voltage V of 0 minus is equal to 0. That is the first case. And coming to the second case, t is equal to 0 plus. T is equal to 0 plus, in between again t is equal to 0, S is open. S is equal to open. Now the equivalent circuit diagram is 10 amperes. Here S is open, here it is the resistor, and here it is the capacitor. Here the voltage is V is equal to 0 plus. Now here in this case also, based on the initial conditions, V of 0 plus is equal to V of 0 minus. In this case also, capacitor behaves like a short circuit. Whenever capacitor short circuit, again V of 0 plus is equal to 0. First case, capacitor short circuit, here the switch is closed, short circuit, voltage is equal to 0. That means V of 0 minus initial voltage across capacitor is 0. Now based on the initial condition, V of 0 plus is equal to V of 0 minus. In this case also, capacitor acts as a short circuit, again output is 0. And coming to the third case, T greater than 0. T greater than 0, the switch, this condition also, switch is open. Now the equivalent one is, switch is open. Here it is the resistor R, here it is the capacitor C, here it is the voltage. Here it is, S is open. Now here, observe here, this is the incoming current. Incoming current is divided into IR and IC. Apply KCL at this node, V of T. Suppose this point is A. If the elements are connected in parallel, try to apply KVL. Sorry, KCL. Apply KVL, Kirchhoff's current law, KCL at node A. So this is the incoming current, I is equal to divided into incoming current divided into IR plus IC. This one is IR and this one is IC. So I is equal to 10 amperes, 10 is equal to IR. IR is equal to V of T by R plus IR is equal to I is equal to, in capacitor current I is equal to C dV by dt. Okay, this is a generalized expression, and generalized expression, this is I. Okay. Equation 1. Then substitute values here. Here values are 10 is equal to V of T by R, and R value is equal to 10K plus C 1 micro 10 to the power of minus 6 into dV T by dt. Now the condition here is find dV T by dt at T is equal to 0 plus. Now here 10 is equal to V of 0 plus by 10K plus 10 power minus 6 d of V of 0 plus by dt. Then this is equal to V of 0 plus is equal to 0, 0 by 10K plus 10 power minus 6 d of 0 plus by dt. That is equal to 10 power minus 6 dV of 0 plus by dt is equal to 10. Then dV of 0 plus by dt is equal to 10 by 10 power minus 6. Then that is equal to d of 0 plus by dt is equal to 10 into 10 power 6 volt per second. That is d of v0 plus by dt is equal to 10 into 10 power 6 by volt per second. And next one is similarly find dv square. Find dv square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Okay, this is the equation 1. Again differentiate equation 1 with respect to time. This is equation 1. So di by dt is equal to 1 by r dv by dt plus c into dv square by dt square. Here given current I is constant, I is equal to 10 amperes, that is constant. So constant of differentiation is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 1 by r 10k into dvt by dt plus c 1 micro 10 power minus 6 dv square by dt square. Now the condition is at t is equal to 0 plus. So 0 is equal to 1 by 10k dv of 0 plus by dt plus 10 power minus 6 d square v of 0 plus by dt square. Zero is equal to 1 by 10k dv of 0 plus by dt, that is equal to 10 into 10 power 6 plus 10 power minus 6 dv square 0 plus by dt square, and that is equal to 10 power 7 by 10 power 4 plus 10 power minus 6 square 0 plus by dt square, that is equal to 10 power 3 plus 10 power minus 6 dv square 0 plus by dt square. Now dv square 0 plus by dt square is equal to minus 10 power 9 plus 3 by 10 power minus 6, that is equal to minus 10 power 9 minus 10 power minus 10 power 9 volt per second square. So dv square 0 plus by dt square. Okay, finally dv square 0 plus by dt square is equal to minus 10 power 9 volt per second square. Like that you have to calculate the initial, based on initial condition, find the voltage here. Here the 1 second procedure is v of 0 minus capacitor short circuit. Similarly, we have 0 plus also capacitor short circuit. In both cases, this value is equal to 0. Voltage across capacitor or output voltage, we have 0 minus is equal to 0. We have 0 plus is equal to 0. Based on initial condition, we have 0 plus is equal to, we have 0 minus, that is equal to 0. And coming to third, when t greater than 0, switch is open, then apply Kirchhoff's current law. This is incoming current. Incoming current is divided into, this is I divided into two parts, IR plus IC. Then normal simplification. Then after that, and condition is, substitute the condition, t is equal to 0 plus. Then you can easily calculate d of v0 plus by dt and dv square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. These are the values, right? And now we go for third problem. And coming to third problem, here observe here, this is a 20 volt source. This is a switch. Switch is connected to position 2 at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, S is connected to position 2. T is equal to 0 minus, S is connected to position 1. This is the problem. And find current flowing through the circuit and di by dt and di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Right. Now here same as three cases, and first one is t is equal to 0 minus. When t is equal to 0 minus, S is connected to position 1. Then the equivalent circuit is, this is the 20 volt voltage source, and this is switch 1, and here it is 20 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor, here it is a 1H inductor, and there is no current flows to the 20 ohm resistor. This 20 ohm resistor is simply eliminated. Now current flowing in the circuit is I of 0 minus. Now inductor is stores the maximum energy, okay, in terms of current. What is the maximum current in the flowing here in the circuit? I maximum is equal to, when inductor acts as a short circuit, now the inductor acts as a short circuit. Now I maximum is equal to V by R. So that is equal to 20 by 10, that is equal to 2 amperes. That means inductor can store maximum, inductor can store maximum 2 ampere current. So from that I of 0 minus is equal to 2 ampere. So that the initial current through the inductor is 2 ampere. Then how to find means, inductor behaves like a short circuit, then short circuit, then you can find the maximum current depends upon the V and R only. So V by R is equal to 2 amperes. So I of 0 minus is equal to 2 amperes. So first case, I of 0 minus is equal to 2 amperes. Now coming to the second case, and second case is t is equal to 0 plus. When t is equal to 0 plus, at t is equal to 0, switch connected to the position number 2. When switch connected to the position number 2, the equivalent circuit is, this is the resistor, 20 ohm resistor, this is the switch 2, and it is the resistor, 10 ohm resistor, and this is the inductor. Here in this case, inductor behaves like a short circuit. Why? Because I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus. Here I of 0 minus is equal to 2 amperes. So that the current, this inductor is 2 ampere current. Now the current flowing in the circuit is, this is the 2 ampere. So I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus, that is equal to 2 ampere current. So second condition is I of 0 plus also 2 ampere. Now coming to the third one, t greater than 0. And third case, t greater than 0 and t is equal to 0, S is connected to position 2. Now the equivalent circuit is, this is 20 ohm resistor, this is 10 ohm resistor, here the inductor is, this is the inductor, and initial current through the inductor is 2 amperes. Now this is the current I of t. Okay, it is a loop. Now apply KVL to this loop. Apply KVL, and these are the plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now current is equal to I current, that is R1, R2. So R1I minus R2I minus voltage across inductor is L di by dt is equal to 0. This is equation 1. So R1 is equal to minus 20I minus 10I minus L value is equal to 1 into di by dt is equal to 0. That is minus 30I is equal to di by dt. Minus 30 is equal to di by dt. Now substitute the condition here is, find di by dt at t is equal to 0 plus. Suppose this is 2. By using 2, di 0 plus by dt is equal to minus 30 I 0 plus, that is equal to minus 30 into I of 0 plus is equal to already 2 amperes, that is equal to 2. So finally minus 60 ampere per second. So di 0 plus by dt is equal to minus 60 ampere per second. And last one is, find di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Okay, again using this equation to differentiate, by using equation 2, differentiate equation 2 with respect to time. With respect to time. Now what happened means, di square by dt square is equal to minus 30 into di by dt. Now find that value at t is equal to 0 plus di square 0 plus by dt square is equal to minus 30 into di 0 plus by dt minus 30 into, already we calculated di 0 plus by dt, that is equal to minus 60. So finally 1800 ampere per second square. di square 0 plus by dt square. Okay. Now coming to here, the conclusion is this is the given circuit. T is equal to 0, switch is connected to position 2. T is equal to 0 minus, switch is connected to position 1. When switch is connected to position 1, the inductor behavior is inductor try to charge. Okay, how much amount of it will try? Maximum current. Maximum current, it depends upon V and R. And inductor act as a short circuit. The maximum current is V by R, that is equal to 2 amperes. I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus, that also 2 amperes. Now di by dt, di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. Now at this position, switch is connected to 2. Now apply KVL to this loop. This is the KVL. Then minus 30i is equal to di by dt. Then substitute the condition. Di 0 plus by dt minus 30 into I of 0 plus. I of 0 plus is equal to 2. So minus 60 amperes. To find di square by dt square, again differentiate equation 2 with respect to time. Then substitute the condition. T is equal to 0 plus. So di square 0 plus by dt square is equal to minus 30 into di 0 plus by dt. Already we calculated di 0 plus by dt, that is equal to minus 60. And finally 1800 amperes per second square. So like that you can try to solve the problems on initial conditions. Right? Thank you.